In this video, I will show you how to remove Powered by WordPress. Let's get started. So for now, let's click on this preview store right here in order to see what our store looks like. So here's my store right here, and when you scroll to the footer, you can see this Powered by Woo, or it can also be a Powered by WordPress. So in order to remove it, we just need to click on any part of the page, right-click on it, and then in here, you should be able to see the Inspect option. Click on Inspect right here. And then once you have done that, it will open this. So what you can do in this case is to just click on this, which is the select icon. So click on this right here, and then let's scroll down and select the Powered by Woo right here. So you can see this right here. Let's click on it. And then from in here, you can see the class, which is Powered by WordPress. So what you can do is you can actually just copy that Powered by WordPress. Let's right click on it, then click on copy. Now, once we have done that, we need to head back to our dashboard right here, or you can also head back in here and click on this Customize. Before things first, close this inspector and click on this Customize right here. And then once you have done that, it will open the block editor of this particular site of yours. Now, in here, you can see that this is that. So what you can do is you can scroll on your left sidebar until you can see this additional CSS. So click on this additional CSS. And then in here, let's type in here a dot. And then let's paste in here what we have copied. And then let's put in here an open parenthesis. And then let's put an enter. And then let's put in here display. And then colon, none. And then a semicolon. And then once you have saved these changes, let's click on the save right here. It will save the changes that we have. So since it is actually powered by Woo, you can actually add in here Powered by Woo as well if you want. So as you can see right here, the Powered by Woo or Powered by WordPress has been removed totally. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.